Okay. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, what's that?
No, Nicholas.
Nicholas, why don't you open another present?
Hey.
Whoa, look at that globe.
What?
Whoa, it's planet Earth. Wow.
Look, it's an book.
Nicholas, look at your book.
Grand Canyon. That's the Grand Canyon. It's 1 mile deep. Now fly with us again soon.
Silly baby. That's Lucas's.
Nicholas, you want to see what's in here? Nicholas. Nicholas.
Whoa.
What is that, Lucas?
You can string the cars.
Whoa, string and beep cars. Wow.
Look.
What did Nicholas get?
Crayon.
Whoa, crayons. Look at those big crayons, Nicholas. Whoa, look at that big present you have, Lucas.
Whoa. Whoa.
Nicholas. Whoa, it's McQueen and Friends. What is
Nicholas,
it?
You're gonna break that. Ugh. Come here. Come here. Here. Here.
What is that, Lucas? Let's see what it is.
What you got? Well, let's see. Oh, let's open this one.
What? Nicholas, look at your presents.
Look. Ooh, gears. Look.
Whoa, look at that, Nicholas. Whoa.
Lucas, I can't even.
Whoa. That is very cool.
Whoa, look at those gears, Nicholas.